There you go. Sika and comfort spacer. From Ivan. Sika and comfort. Para lang Friday. Ding, 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 ding. Scooter daw. Sakay ulit, boy. Sakay, boy. And there you go. Para lang good. Palakpakan natin si Jocko. Yan si ilabas natin yan. We have a biodegradable bin or nabubulok. At syempre, we also make non-biodegradable bin or hindi nabubulok. At syempre, iti-check ka ba kung gumagana ng panahon para Kuya Richie. Are you ready? I count 3. Ang magkapasura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Ang anong unang kinukuha ba? At least ko. Plastic. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? At syempre, sa non-biodegradable bin. Now, good point. Another piece of flash point. This time, plastic na naman. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. Another piece of flash point. This time, east or down. Saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Now, one last piece of flash. This time, deep. Dahon. Saan nilalagay ko ba? Syempre, sa biodegradable bin. Palakpakan natin si Parang. Did you know that Apollo here is a multi-talented star? Who wants to see Apollo dance? Show them your skill and there you go. Next the moonwalk made with a famous Michael Jackson national. Show them paano mag-moonwalk and there you go. Tama na Apollo. Katakalala sa table. Ang probinsyano po. Super magaling mga arte ni Apollo. Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May agad sa taas ng gagawin ng Apollo. Alam mo agila. Patay. There you go. They do that naman to pull their face. So,